If you're leery about paying your hard-earned cash to drive traffic to your website, then don't. That's right, don't. Because an internet millionaire is going to share his secret about how he got $87 million in Google pay-per-click ads for free and made $314 million as a result. Sound too good to be true? Well, it is true. You see, Dr. John Cohen found a unique twist in how to use the pay-per-click and paid-for-targeted advertising programs at Google and other search engines, and it's allowed him to acquire massive wealth. He started and developed 16 online ventures and personally coached executives from major Fortune 500, Fortune 1000, and representatives from publicly traded companies on the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, just to mention a few. And now you can take advantage of his vast experience. You're going to discover how to bid as high as you'd like on any select keyword and never have to pay for a single click. How to set your daily budget as high as you want and never pay for any of it. Of course, you're probably wondering whether the system will work for you. Well, it worked for Jordan Fuller, and she's now making over $600 a day. It worked for Richard Cook, and he's now making over $1.8 million a year. It worked for Lester and Tina Bailey, and they made over $32,000 in 1 month. And it will work for you, but only if you sign up right now.